Okay my people, welcome to another episode of Straight Yard Cooking. Today we're gonna cook some real yard food. Today I just read a fresh bunch of Calloloo from the rooftop garden of Straight Yard, so I'm excited. I'm gonna cook it today so you guys can see the steps how to do it by yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna cook some yam, some dumpling, some banana, some Callaloo, and a piece of saltfish. Let's go to that journey, my people. I'm gonna cook 2 pots at once, real fast. Okay, I have my pot here. I'm gonna get some water real fast. So I'm gonna put on the food pot so the food can cook. In the meantime, I'm cleaning up the Callaloo to prepare the Callaloo. Then I have to strip it, wash it, and cut it up and ready to cook. So I'm gonna put on this pot here so I can cook the food in the meantime, real fast and quick. I'm doing 2 pots in a quick. Okay. Add a little salt in the water. The food, not a lot, just a little bit. Kill the bacteria. Okay, water. Okay, so I'm gonna need the flour really fast. Meanwhile, the oil. Okay, flour is done, so I'll need it. Finish with the flour. I'm gonna put that aside. These are green bananas. They're very good in iron. Very healthy for you. That's why I like to eat them a lot. Plantain too, it's very good. These are earth food, best thing for you. So I'm gonna add this to my pot. Pot is boiling already. Okay. Got a piece of yam here. I'm gonna add it to the pot also. Okay, I'm gonna add my yam to the pot. It's already boiling. Add me a little sweet potato, it's good for you. So I'm gonna eat a nice little sweet potato. Everybody know the benefits of sweet potato already. Very healthy. Let's add a little one. This is a real sweet potato. small, so I'm just gonna put it in the same way because I don't want it to mash all the way out. I want to have it to eat. See? Nice little potato here. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the bananas. Okay, so don't put green banana in water if it's not boiling because they're gonna turn black. So the water has to be boiling before you can add the green banana. A lot of people put a little bit of oil in the pot so they don't turn black. But I don't have to. I just make sure the pot is boiling. I see a lot of people put it in flour first thing in the pot. You don't have to. Flour cook real fast. Flour can go in the last. Because flour is something don't take long to cook. So I'm gonna go in and make my dumplings now, put them in. Put a little piece of pumpkin real fast. Pumpkin will mash, so I'm gonna put it for last. I'm not making no Calloloo tonight. I'm making some nice, decent dumpling, okay? So don't look to see some big Calloloo. That's when you're in the bush cooking, man, you eat Calloloo, man. Just making some nice little dumplings, okay? Nice little size like this. And if you're in the river or when you're on the road trip, you make Calloloo. Everybody make the dumpling different, have different ways to make the dumpling. Make mine real easy, quick and fast. This part I will cook real fast, so I'm gonna have to finish up with this and then I jump on the Calloloo. I still have the Calloloo to strip, wash. Then I'm gonna put the, a lot of people they cook it in one pot, but I'm not cooking it in the same pot because it's too salt. I don't like salt too much, so I'm gonna cook the saltfish in a different pot. I'm gonna cook out some of the salt out of it. A lot of people soak it overnight, but I'm not soaking it overnight because I'm doing a fast cooking, and it's gonna be nice just the same way. I don't have to soak the saltfish overnight. All I do, boil the salt out, and then wash the salt out when I'm cleaning it up. Because I don't like salt that much. Just like the flavor of the saltfish. It has a nice flavor. So I'm going to get some water put on now. So I'm going to finish with this for the saltfish. Okay? And then I'm going to boil the saltfish, boil it a little bit, boil the salt out, clean it up. I'll show you the steps. Quick and fast. And in the old time days, people soak saltfish, soak it. So now you stir the pot. So dumpling, they don't stick. Okay? Right. Now I'm gonna put in this little piece of pumpkin. I don't want it to mash out, so I put it in the last. A lot of people don't really peel the pumpkin, but I'm just gonna peel this because I don't want it to take so long. I want to be able to eat everything, even though some people eat its skin. But sometimes I really just don't like the skin. So I'm peeling it. The skin is good for you too, but it all depends where you get the pumpkin. Because a lot of people use fertilizer and all these things. And most of them stay in the skin. Just like banana. Banana skin is good. But they use a lot of pesticides in a lot of farms, so it's better you just take the skins off. You're eating natural stuff, organic. You can eat the skin. See? Quick and fast. Good to go. Put this on the top, I don't want it to boil out. Okay. So now the food pot is ready, it's done. It's gonna stay there and cook. I'm gonna put on the catfish or saltfish, like some people call it. Puerto Ricans and Spanish call it bacalao. Okay, put some water on. I'm gonna boil this saltfish, boil it out. Boil out some of the salt, man. So here we go, we have the real catfish here. See, a lot of salt, thick salt. See, like you're cooking some food and you don't have no salt, and you have this. You don't have to have salt, just put that on top of the pot when you're cooking food, and then everything has salt. Takes a good time. Put this little piece here too. Okay, so I'm going to use this 2 piece. I'll put this piece up for another day. Okay, so let this go here and what you're gonna do, you look for the bad leaves, you break them off. And the leaf don't look too Okay, people, we're gonna wash and then get ready to cut. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna get ready to cut. So I could cut them in my hands, but it's easier on the board. And for people who don't know to really cut them in their hands, please use a board. But like when we're in the bush, we're cooking in the bush, you don't have a board, you cut them in the hand. Fast and quick, same way. You just have to know to hold them. I'm going to show you how you cut them in the hand in the next cuttings. When I finish this one, I'm just showing you how to cut it on the board. And then I'm going to cut with hand showing you. When you're in the bush, you gotta use anything you have. So I'm just showing you a straight yard thing. You don't have to have a big knife, you can use a small knife, anything you have. Just gotta know to cut, that's all. Some people use some big knife. Some people use small knife, some people use what they got. See? This when they cut up, that's what it looks like. Okay. I'm gonna cut one in my hand, show you. How you cut it in your hand. Easy. Just gotta know how to cut, so you don't cut your fingers. This is called freelance. Okay. I'm gonna show you a freelance. How to cut if you don't have a board. You gotta just move fast and quick. Don't get caught with a knife. Just gotta know what amount of press to put on it, because it's just the same thing as using the board. You just gotta know how to use a knife. That's the key part of it. If you don't know how to use a knife like that, please use a board. See? And sometimes for me it's even faster than the board. Because I used to this. Used to cutting in hand. Because the key is it, you just tighten them up as tight as possible. You see? So when you're cutting through, it's easy. See? Just keep tightening up. Not to wring them, just tighten them up. See? Same thing, no difference. Even better. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish cut. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I finished cut. This is the end product. And this is the hardest part of it. By cooking calloloo is to clean it, wash it, and cut it. So you gotta strip it first, wash it with some salt water, then cut it up. Now it's ready to steam. Okay? So I'm gonna take you there. So I'm gonna prepare the saltfish now, so stay tuned. Okay, now I have to clean this up. So let's get it in some cold water so I can clean it up really fast. Some cold water. Let it sit right there. Let me take this pot off fire. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clean up the catfish. So you're gonna have to take off the scales, take off this part of it. Clean it up. I'm gonna take out the bones also because I'm cooking it with the Calloloo, so you don't want to eat bone when you're eating Calloloo. So all bone gotta go, and all the scale gotta go. Remember, this is the salted fish. The scales and everything just salted. Okay, so what we're doing is taking off the scales. Sometimes the skin will come off too, no problem. As long as I get it nice and clean like this, it's okay. Doesn't miss anything. See? Nice and clean. All I gotta do is take the bones out. And there we good. Okay guys, this is the codfish. It's all cleaned up. There is no bone. So I'm gonna get going now on the fire with the Calloloo. So here we go. After it's clean, wash and everything. Straight yard, remember, up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tune in to subscribe. So I'm gonna get my oil hot. I'm gonna get some seasoning in the pot. So first up, I had my garlic, real garlic. Remember, if you don't know to use a knife, use a board. I'm giving you a freelance tonight, freelance knife thing. Well, I'm going to put the rest later. And onion. You can use any onion you like. I like the blue one, I like the yellow one, but sometimes I don't have the blue one and the yellow one. A little piece of thyme, fresh from the garden, straight yard farming. This thyme is natural. This is scallion from the garden, straight yard garden. We'll stop farming. I'm gonna put a little piece of my scotch bonnet pepper. Not gonna put a lot, because this is hot. I like a little kick to it, and just a little kick, not a lot. Good. Okay. Now I'm gonna just saute this for a little bit. Just for a little bit. on it. Wow. Now I'm gonna add my codfish in the pot. No bones. All the bones are out. Remember, eating with the Calloloo. This can eat just like that, without the Calloloo. This can eat just like that. It's like cook up saltfish. It can eat just like that. What I'm doing is bringing out the flavors for the Calloloo. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit. I don't use a lot of seasoning. I use earth seasoning. Good. See that? It's good already. Alright my people, so now I'm gonna add my Calloloo to that. Here we go. I'm not going to cook all of this. I'm going to leave some. So I could fry it down and then stew this today. Oh no, I'm going to cook it for my daughter. She likes to eat it just like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the seasoning to my Calloloo. Green peppers. And a piece of my onion. The flavor and the Calloloo. So basically I'm seasoning up the Calloloo now. You had some people do it one down. They just put everything in the pot one time. Like they boil the saltfish or they soak the saltfish overnight, and then they just pick it up, cut up the Calloloo, and just add it to the Calloloo, and just put everything in the pot one time. I'm showing you a different type of way. Straight yard style. Add a little tip of water, just a little bit, just to let it build up some water, just a little tip. Okay my people, so I'm adding just a little bit of butter, a little piece of butter in the pot. Okay, so not a lot, just to give it a little more flavor. This is less than an ounce I'm adding, not too much. Okay, let that sit. Okay, so I'm cooking 3 pots tonight. My daughter says she don't need no saltfish tonight, so I'm cooking this one Untitled, straight up, natural. Onion. Get this saute. Get some thyme. pot. I'm stirring. Pepper, scotch bonnet, of course. Okay. Now I'll just saute this a little bit. Now I'm going with Calloloo. Now I'm going to drop a little black pepper. This one I'm going to have to add a little salt to it because this one is natural. There's no saltfish. Give it salt flavor because I didn't. I'm going to add a little salt. Not too much. So we're going on a slow heat. Start off on a high heat, now we're going on a slow heat. So just gonna steam now. Okay, my peeps. Put a little bit of water. Just a little tip. Let it start to steam. Little piece of butter to it. Just a little bit. Okay. Now, not too high, not too low. I'm gonna cover that part. Okay, now I'm gonna cover this part. Stay right there and steam. Let me check on the other one now and see what's going on over here. Good. See? Ready to eat. Man, this is nice. Everything is nice. Okra steam, cucumber steam, Calloloo steam. Everything is nice. That's what I'm talking about. So now we're ready to eat it. And I'm just cooking it. Okay, my people, this is the end product of the cooking tonight from Straight Yard Cooking and from Straight Yard Farming with the Callaloos. Not bad.